This normal-looking paper can actually be very dangerous. When paper is used instead of the blade in the grinder, it can easily break strong things like wood and coconut into two pieces. But the question is that how did this paper become so strong? See, the reason for this is the round shape and high RPM, due to which the paper does not deform quickly, and by continuously rubbing with the things it cuts them slowly and easily. A single paper alone can cut 120 paper seeds. By pasting 2-3 papers together, you can make it more powerful that it can also cut metal very easily by friction of the paper. If you are interested in knowing such things, then definitely connect with Boffin Facts.